When a fire needs to be extinguished, our first instinct can often be to douse it with water. In fact, water and water-based foams are good at putting out some types of fires, but can be very dangerous if they are used on others. While water is a convenient and effective retardant for putting out Class A fires, it cannot be used safely on Class B fires that involve burning liquids, or Class C fires that occur in or near electrical equipment. So most water extinguishers have been replaced by dry chemical ABC equipment. But dry chemicals don't work well on some Class A fuels. For example, they can't reach the burning embers within a stack of paper or a pile of sawdust. But water can soak into these materials to extinguish the fire. So water extinguishers still have some uses. Extinguishers that discharge water-based foams are usually rated for Class A and Class B fires, though not for Class C. Foam retardants blanket burning materials to cut off their oxygen supply. As a result, foam extinguishers can do a good job of putting out burning liquids. Foam extinguishers can also cover spills of flammable liquids to prevent them from catching fire. So, for instance, foam extinguishers can be especially useful in commercial garages and chemical storage facilities. There are a number of other types of fire extinguishers that are designed to be used in specific environments and to put out specific types of fires. Ask your supervisor about what extinguishers are appropriate for your work area.